How do you turn down text notification volume on the iPhone? And now, if you're new here on this channel, consider subscribing for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one and to make sure you don't miss them. Anyways, this notification volume can be changed and set up in your main settings app by proceeding to the sounds and haptics section. Inside of there, you can see plenty of different toggles as everywhere, but at the top of the list, we have a volume controller. So you have like a slider where you can drag it to the left side or the right side. But the point is that this is not the volume of your music or videos or content, but it is for ringtones and alerts. So it's for the notifications and it includes the text notifications as well. So you can see that you're going to dial it down back or decide how you want to do it, right? So this is how you can turn it down in terms of the notifications, but like for every notification, including the text sounds, right? So that's how you can do this. Or you can also go a little bit below and there is a text tone section where you don't control the volume, but you control the sound that you pick for your messages. And there you can pick perhaps something that is of lower volume generally, right? Or you can choose it to be none if you don't want to have the notifications at all. Or you can just also pick your own ringtones. Like I literally selected a voice recording to be my ringtone, and then it also shows up right here. So you can also pick your own custom sounds for the notifications of your messages. So let me know if you found what you needed. Hit the thumbs up and subscribe for upcoming tutorials and videos like this one, and I'll talk to you soon. So stay tuned for more, and I'll see you later.